Got it. Here's a new set of subject-verb-object MCQs with Urdu translations placed below each sentence. And the question asks whether to identify subject, verb, or object. 1. He opened the door. Isne darwaza khola. What is the verb? A. He opened C. the door. Door. Answer. 2. The children ate mangoes. Bachcho ne aam khaye. What is the subject? The children. The children see mangoes. D. Ate. B. The children. 3. She washed the clothes. Isne kapde dhue. What is the object? A. She. B. Washed clothes. D. The clothes. On 4, I wrote a letter. Maine ek khat likha. What is the verb? I. B. A letter. C. Wrote letter. 5. Birds build nests. Parinde ghonsle banate hain. What is the object? Birds. Build C. Nests. D. Build nests. Answer C. Nests. 6. The girl found a ring. Ladki ko ek angoothi mili. What is the subject? A. Found. B. The girl see a ring. Ring. 7. We saw the rainbow. Humne kus kazah dekhi. What is the object? A. We. B. Rainbow. C. Saw. D. The rainbow. 8. The boy kicked the ball. Ladke ne gend ko mara is the verb. A. Kicked. B. C. The ball. D. Boy. Answer. A. Kicked. Certainly. Here's another set of subject-verb-object MCQs with short, clear sentences and Urdu translation below each sentence, just like you asked. 1. She drinks water. Wo pani peeti hai. A. Drinks. She see water. Drink. Answer. See water. 2. They open the box. Inhone dabba khola. What is the verb? They. B. Opened. C. Box. D. Opened. 3. The dog chased the cat. Kutte ne billi ka picha kiya. What is the subject? A. Chased. B. Cat. C. The dog. D. Dog. The 4. We read stories. Hum kahaniyan padhte hain. What is the object? B. Stories. C. Read. D. Read stories. 5. He cleaned the room. Isne kamra saaf kiya. What is the verb? Cleaned. B. The room. C. D. Room. 6. My mother made tea. Meri maa ne chai banai. A. Mother. B. T. C. Made. My mother. Tea. 7. I saw a bird. Maine ek paranda dekha. What is the verb? A. Saw. B. I see. Bird. D. A bird. 8. The teacher asked a question. Astad ne ek sawal kiya. What is the object? A. Teacher. B. Asked. C. A question. Answer C. A question. Would you like the next batch to include longer or complex sentences, or should I continue with these short and simple structures?